it is very dangerous to depend on herd immunity. Sweden is one country that went for this. If you remember, Sweden didn't put any restrictions on their people, and they were expecting, as per herd immunity concept, 70% of the people should be infected. In Sweden, after 3 months, only about 7 to 8% have been infected. So their herd immunity experiment has failed. Now, and I think India is also there. Now, in this, as per the 2011 census, we got about 20% of our people who are above the age of 60, and about another 20% who are below the age of 15, which are most vulnerable for COVID-19. So we are putting about 40% of our people in Goa at risk of COVID-19 death, not of infection. 50% people are at risk of death. The other 60% who can be infected, do we have the beds for them? As Mongar, to cope with that. The government is saying we have got enough testing kits. Mongar testing that is whatever you have, the testing kits, you have to try it out there. It is not happening. We have heard the case of Delhi, where people are, today's paper also it showed one person has been shunted in between 2-3 hospitals, he didn't get a bed. And after they having so much better infrastructure, they cannot manage it. Will Goa be able to manage this? There is something called an R number on all these pandemics. So it is even more dangerous. So we cannot take the risk of depending on this herd immunity, because it's going to destroy the lives of the people. It is going to further destroy the economy of Goa and India. So if we don't want to put a total lockdown, at least we should stop the people coming from outside now. We can manage our economy with whatever we have right now. Entered now, treat them, contain, manage whatever is there now. If we go for herd immunity without a vaccine, every study says without a vaccine you cannot aim to get herd immunity. We have to develop a vaccine. So we have to wait till the vaccine is developed. You cannot just talk of economy all the time. Your economy will be shattered if this COVID-19 infects more people. Because we don't have the capacity, we don't have the beds, we don't have the testing. Also, this tests are not 100% all over the world. We realize that some antibodies don't show. So there will be the thermal scanners which are there, they will not show you a person who is infected. You may get it after 7 days. So you are going to allow people, what the government also do now, allow people in a thermal scanner and then send them home. So you are just allowing infections to happen. And it's a wrong mentality that you have that herd immunity is going to help people. You are going to kill our people, about 40% of our people are going to kill, and the other 60% you will not be able to manage because we don't have that many beds. So we want the government, rethink your SOPs. Put a lockdown for people not to come inside, especially people from red zones. There's no way you can allow for anything. There's no reason you can allow that. Even thinking economically, even if you think of economics, your economy is going to be shattered in a month if the infection increases. The other point is, we have got this, people are talking about online training now, online classes. Now online training is being given to teachers. Now some of the trainers themselves are new. So it's going to be a disaster. And you are talking about online teaching for the rural students, very poor students. What are they going to learn on? They don't have any tabs, they don't have computers, most of them. I know in my area in Kandarin, there's not many people have got it. So, if at all the teaching, first, instead of giving the books, you will have the money left of the books, because if it is online, then you don't have to spend on the books. give the students some tips. So Swabhidar tips, if you want to do, and get some trainers, professional. What they have done now is some of the high class teachers have been trained by somebody else. Those teachers are trying to train the lower class teachers, and nobody is just a total mess. So get professional because education is very important. You cannot make a joke of education. बरे प्रोफेशनल हाडा शिकोया सारखे शिकोया आनी भुरग्यांक टॅप घेवपाची गरज आहा नाल्यार तुजें ऑनलायन एड्युकेशन म्हणून फायदो ना. The third point is, see, a couple of days back I made a very serious charge of human trafficking. Human trafficking with the help of letter from the Minister Michael Lobo's office. Yesterday, he came before the press twice. Don't call it. Not a single time he has denied my charge. So I thank him for at least once in his life accepting and being truthful. First time, now what is the government doing about this? Have they identified these illegal activities in a They are thinking that statement. No, we are doing this so that we can expose. We can expose the misdeeds of the government. I am a taxpayer. Even if I am not the spokesperson of the Congress, you are a minister. You are getting paid a salary from the taxpayers' money. I have every right, like any other citizen of Goa, to expose and ask you questions. If you do illegalities, if you are doing human trafficking, I have got every right as a taxpayer, just like any other citizen of Goa. He claims that we were sleeping during this COVID. Now, shamelessly, I have to today show you all photographs of what we did, because we wanted to. Congress party was on the ground from day one. Our youth Congress wing of Kalangut block were with the people from day one. We have been distributing. This is me in the picture. This is Joseph Sikora with this is Antony Menezes from Kalangut. There were other people also. The ZP candidate was there, but because of the code of conduct, we did not click his pictures or show anything. From day one, we were there. People of Kalangut constituency know about this. They don't know on his own. They don't know on his own. By Sorong. When Joseph Sikora and Antony Menezes did 2 rounds of free deliveries of essentials, he was sleeping. I have done in Kandulim. My ward was the first one to get any free stuff in the whole of the constituency. In my ward, because my sister-in-law is the ward member there. Now, this person, Michael Lobo, brought essential vegetables and all that from outside. They shut all the shops from the other sellers, opened their shops and sold to the people at exorbitant rates. There is a boy called Kevin who was working with us, who used to distribute at subsidized rates, at 30 rupees a tomato. To send police to drive these people away and sell their own tomatoes at 60 rupees, fleecing the people of Kalangut constituency. The whole Congress wing was working. The block president Rajan Kalgaonkar, our youth Vivek De Silva, everybody was on the street, on the road with the people, serving the people of Kalangut. Only thing is, we didn't make a big show out of it. We didn't go for photo ops like this fellow went. So wherever the migrants were there, he was handing out this. Local and the photo and migrants are there are poor Goans also. So migrants are only when the prime ministers from center, the money came, 9 crores which came to Goa, that money ruling MLAs. In the beginning of May, this BJP government through their Panchayat members have sent some things to the people with their photographs. आम्ही आमचो फोटो घालूंक ना हिंदूच आम्ही कोणाक एडवर्टाइज करूंक ना पण बीजेपीन माया जेन्ना लोकांक जाय आसले when the first lockdown was there, when people didn't have essential, it was the Congress party and the Congress workers who were with the people. This fellow was sleeping. Oh, Mayak Zabadala, April end Mayak Zabadala, and he gave with his photograph inside saying that he has given. He was talking about me being rejected by the people of Saligao. As I accept the verdict of the Saligao people humbly, but that was because these people went to the Saligao people and told them, no, we'll never join the BJP. We are with the Congress. पादरीशीन गेले सगळे पादरीशीन गेले पादरीन सांगले आम्ही काँग्रेसी बरी अवताराक वचून जिरोमेन दिताले आम्ही बीजेपी बरी केन्ना वयचे ना म्हणून एंड पीपल गॉट फूल्ड लेट देम गो नाव टू द पीपल ऑफ सालिगांव पीपल हैव रियलाइज्ड that they have been fooled. So fooling, you cannot fool all the people all the time. And he calls me insignificant. Mushino Sadas friend म्हणतात. I don't know one just we were exposed this human trafficking इतलो हल्ला इतलो अबूज झाला आणि कितें कितें उलयता का Noshi Rohan friend, Agnel friend, सगळे friend. I never consider him as a friend, but he used to always consider everybody his friend. म्हणून काल मातसो आल्लोलो झाला तो. But we want the government to take strict action on what charges are made about the human trafficking. So just saying that Agnel is insignificant, Agnel has been rejected by the people, is not, you are not going to escape with that. So I hope the government listens to this and takes necessary action.
What?
तुमकां दिलो कितें हांगा सजेशन
व्हेजिटेबल्स फोन केर घराकडे पावयला म्हणून सांगता
आम्ही हांवें चॅक केले माझ्या वाड्यान तेका कोण मनीस मेळून आसलो वांडपाक ही इज डिस्ट्रिब्यूटेड इन अदर वर्ड्स लायक आय सेड माझ्या वाड्यातलो धर्मेन म्हणून 5 मेंबर फ्रॉम द नेबरिंग वर्ड तो भोंवता न्ही हांवें आतां येता आसतना फोन केलो जाल्यार धर्मेन म्हाका पावोंक ना म्हणजे तो आसो लागलो आमगेर पावोंक ना धाडलेले जाल्यार हांव घेवचो नासलो कित्याक पीपल इन कालामोट बिलीव तो कितें हांगासर बिजापूरचे बाबा हाडटा जादू करता आनी कितें दिता म्हणून सो आय वूड नेवर हॅव टेकन एनीथिंग फ्रॉम हिम and I don't require also. No, there are rumors. I don't believe in this. पण तो ही बाबा हाडटा आनी कितें मांडटा पळय पयशे वचून हाडटा आसतना ते बाबा कडल्यान कितें जादू करता आनी लोकांक मांडटा म्हणून this is the talk in the village. So I would tell Michael हांवें म्हाजें पावोंक ना म्हाजें जर आहा जाल्यार तशें जोर कोणूय पळय धरपाक दी म्हाका तुजें कांयच पावोंक ना आनी म्हाका नाकाय.
What is the current situation in Kalamut now after that lady's positive case?
See, nobody knows, but I believe they're lying. Carl, see the way he was explaining, की ती 250 मीटर थिंगा आसली 250 मीटर हांगा येयली एज इफ तो आपणे व्हिडिओ काडलेले भशेन आयज सांगतना आपल्या फॅमिलीन सांगला पळय तें द फॅक्ट इज दॅट लेटर हॅज बीन गिवन फ्रॉम हिज ऑफिस मे बी ही हॅज सेंट हिज कार I told CM to check the phone details.
Government talks about human error. Is it justified?
How can you say human error? And there should not be human error in this type of cases. You cannot afford human error. You are going to infect so many people. Like I said, our number for COVID is very high. So one person can infect about 4 or 5 at a time, and it goes to 14, 15 immediately from that person. So how can you do human error? And the person who was guarding the gate, they said it's impossible to have human error because they are very strict.
Kalamut being a tourist destination, you fear that more cases could spread?
Definitely. See, Michael's logic, he's going to speak to the Archbishop to shut down the church. The church बंद केला तरी कोविड बंद जातले आणि रेस्टॉरंट जाल्यार मेंटेन जातले. What is this logic? So you want moral economy, you don't want moral economy, you only want the money. तुमकां मॉरलिटीचे कांयच ना यू शूड हॅव ओपन द चर्चीज विथ फ्यू पीपल यू कॅन मॅनेज दॅट रेस्टॉरंट कोण म्हणटा गिव द सेम टायम ऑफ SOP फॉर द चर्चीज ऑल्सो नो चर्च बंद कर म्हणटा टेम्पल बंद कर म्हणटा आनी रेस्टॉरंट ओपन व्हॉट इज दिस लॉजिक एंड आय देर इज अ रिलेशन हेल्थ एंड इकॉनॉमी which he doesn't understand. Health deteriorates. If you have to spend on health, your economy will be finished. Whatever little you earn will be spending on treating the people. So you have to take care that people are healthy, and then the economy can grow. If your people are going to be sick, it's very costly. Even the testing is very costly of this. So we're going to spend a lot of our economy is going to go down the drain because of this. If you don't manage this health crisis now, it's not about making documental. कितें खातले, कितें जेयतले. मोत्ताय जाल्यार कितें खातले तूं. तो sick जाल्यार कितें खातले.
One more thing, the way Hamran is there, is the Congress in this last 3 months.
No, so there was section 144. There was section 144.
Only Congress have looked 144 section.
No, we are legal. We want to abide by the legal. As soon as section 144 is removed, the first press conference we took. Otherwise, we have been going helping the people around.
What about your president and not to be seen where is
The president.
Sir?
one thing, तुमचं दिसता की लॉकडाऊन ते भास्कर डिमांड करता Is it required lockdown?
Vasco, 100% is required. See, you have to contain the disease. You have to contain the disease. Only if you contain that area, lockdown केलं no, then not, because people are allowed to move about. Now they've already found out in other areas. दुसऱ्या वाड्याने जावंक लागले. If that goes on like that, and आम्ही पळय म्हणटा जे आमची immunity बरी आहा गोंयकारांची immunity, but how are people getting sick? How are they getting infected? Immunity सारखी आहा जाल्यार, गोड आहा जाल्यार. आणि आमचे कडेन टेस्टिंग किट आहा म्हणटा गव्हर्मेंट. टेस्टिंग कित्याक जायना? So at least if we can contain in that area, treat them, so no disease comes on outside there, then maybe at least we can manage what we were at that original level of the green zone. We cannot call ourselves green zone. This is, you do testing, then you will realize how many cases we have got. We are not doing testing. We are hoping that people get sick and get cured by themselves. Immunity. If we are lucky, only God is helping us, and another God we have here is Dr. Edwin. I don't know how he is managing it, but I think because of him. And many of the cases, because see, this test is not always 100% efficient. This testing kits, not only in Goa, not only in India, all over the world this test, some of the antibodies don't show. So many of the people who have died, which is people claim that it is pneumonia, heart attack. I am telling you these are COVID cases. Many of these, because even though the tests have come negative, the symptoms are totally of COVID. So you cannot rule out deaths due to COVID. Okay. Okay, we have given a letter yesterday to the government. The government doesn't seem to care, doesn't want to answer on this. So on Saturday, we are
Friday.
Friday?
Friday में wait कर ले.
Yeah, we wait till Friday. If Vasco is not locked down, our agitation is going to start on Saturday.
So one more question with regards to this online classes. What they are suggesting right now, Goa doesn't have that network infrastructure, right? You know, it provides good network connectivity. So how will they do it?
Exactly, no. Even if they want to go, the students don't have the tools for that.
Yeah.
Connectivity is one major thing.
Yeah, right.
But first thing, you don't have the infrastructure, you don't have the tools for that.
Right.
Forget tools. The knowledge is also not there.
Absolutely.
There's no knowledge. The people who are training the teachers, they themselves are untrained. I mean, they've just been trained for the last 1 month.
Right.
You cannot carry on such a big exercise of this education with half-baked knowledge.
Correct.
What is half-baked knowledge? They are passing on this half-baked knowledge to other teachers. Those teachers are going to put their half-baked knowledge to the students. So we are going to get tougher in times.
तुम्ही म्हणलं ना सॅटर्डेच्या एज्युकेशन स्टार्ट करतले एक्झॅक्टली किती करतले
They are poor, तुम्ही.
हां
They are poor. The
असं
government will be ready to tackle us.
किती इफेक्ट पडटलो दिसता तुमका
See, our job is to do it. No?
कारण इतले दीस तुमका इग्नोरच केला असे तुमचेच म्हणणे हा स्वतःचे
Yeah.
सो तुमका दिसता
आम्ही
ते
एज्युकेशन
education
करून
करून
लागले.
घेऊन
इतले जण आम्ही एज्युकेशन करून
पण
लागले.
तुमचे एज्युकेशन करताना कितले जाण आसता तुम्ही चौक 5 जाण आहात त्याच उरलेले आनी कोण तुमच्या दिसतीच पडना
आता पोय मरे एज्युकेशन पोय.
होय आता 4 महिन्यांनी येतात बरं
नाही.
You should